Can you see this now? Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Calculate the terminal potential difference across a 20-watt resistor. That's a resistor. Actually, it's meant to be 20 ohms. Maybe they use 20 watts. Okay. So we have big R is equals to 20 ohms. Now, connect the battery of EMF of 15 volts and internal resistance. Internal resistance is small r. Internal resistance is 5 watts. Now, I didn't give you this formula. This is a formula we'll be using. EMF is equals to I big R plus I small r. Okay. Now, EMF. Now, remember, they said we should calculate the potential difference. Now, potential difference from Ohm's law is V is equals to IR, isn't it? You understand that, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, we are asked to calculate V. But to calculate V, do we know I?
No, sir.
No, we don't know I. But we know R. We know our big R. Our big R is, where is it? 20. So, but for us to calculate terminal potential difference, we need to calculate the I. So from here, E is equals to, I is common to both sides, becomes big R plus small r. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, make I the subject of the formula. What is I? Who can tell me what will be I? Making I the subject of the formula here, what will be I? Yeah?
E bracket open R plus big R plus small r.
You said?
ER plus ER.
ER? Come on, no. What's
I will be I is equals to R plus R over E.
no? Okay, let's do this. This is how you do. This is
I
how
equals to E over R plus R.
correct. We are looking for I. We are looking for I. To make I the subject of the formula, we say divide both sides. We say divide both sides by what?
Divide both sides by R plus R.
Divide both sides by R
Plus
R.
Then I will be equals to E over R plus R.
So I is it? Sorry. I is equals to E over R plus. Yeah, somebody should substitute those questions and give me the answer. Substitute everything there and give me the answer. Now somebody should solve that. Come on, who's writing that? Stop. Somebody should substitute now and give me the answer. I'm waiting.
I equals 3 over 4.
Sorry?
I equals 3 over 4.
Okay, I've removed this and let me bring it back. So what is I?
3 over 5.
Eh?
I equals 3 over 4.
I is equals to 3 over 5.
Why is it?
So 3 over 5, yes, 3 over 5. 3 over
I
5.
is equals to what?
3 over
3 over
5.
5.
3/5 what? I is measured in what? Ampere.
Ampere. Okay.
Ampere. Okay. Now, having gotten I, we can now get the other part, that V is equals to IR, because we're asked to calculate the terminal potential difference. So that becomes V is equals to 3/5, which is the same as 0.6, I guess, multiply by 20. So what is our V now?
12 V.
12
V
volts. Correct.
voltage.
12V.
12 volts. Okay. Please ask your questions. Do you understand what we just did now?
Yes, sir.
Josh Bed, do you understand what we just did?
No, sir.
Yeah?
No, sir.
Oh, that's because you're just coming. Tehila, what about you?
Somehow.
Somehow, look at it again very well. Lou.
Why did you do it?
Tamara Joku, please put on your camera now. Okay. Musa, do you understand what we just did?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Tehila, look at this thing very well, Lou, because I'm going to give you guys something similar. Okay. Please write this. Write it down. Write the question and the answer down. Write it down. I'm going to give you guys one right now. Okay. I'm going to give you one now. Okay, I'm going to test your comprehension now that you understood what I've done. I need you to change this one, change it to 40 watts. The EMF, change the EMF, change this EMF to 20 volts and leave your internal resistance as 5. Do you understand that? Like, write a second question. Write another question. Calculate the terminal potential difference between a 40 ohms instead of 20 watts, 40 ohms resistor connected to a battery of EMF 20 volts. Do you understand? Do you understand what I said?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I need you guys to do that now. Calculate the potential difference between a 40 ohms resistor connected to a battery of EMF 20 volts and internal resistance 5 ohms. Do the same thing now. Josh Beck, just follow exactly what I've solved there. Just follow it, you will get it. Tehila, I need your videos, please.
Okay. Oh.
Okay. Okay, I hope you guys are solving it.
Yes, sir. So 17.6 ampere.
That's your current. That was the current you got, right?
Yes, sir.
But you're not stopping there. If you are done, send it to me privately. But you're not stopping there. Come on. I just did the current here, but did I stop here? I went ahead to get the potential difference. Ibuku, are you seeing it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, is anybody done? Please, if you have issues, quickly talk. Don't just stay mute. I wouldn't like that. Blossom, put on your videos now. Please, if you know that your plate is noisy, just mute it. Okay, is anybody done? If you're having issues, please just talk. Don't stay idle. Send me a chat. Send me a personal chat if you have gotten it. Okay, okay. Joel, are you done? Joel, are you done? You're
So how
muted.
to type it now?
Okay. Ibukun, what about you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please, I need your unit.
Okay.
Just follow the option or the where I solved it. All you just need to do is interchange the values now. I've not even claimed what I gave you. If I had claimed it now, I understand. Just follow. Just follow there's please the person saying he doesn't understand, please just follow exactly what I have given you. Joel, you gave me in amperes, but I didn't ask you to calculate the current. I said potential difference. Joel,
Yes, sir.
I said potential difference, and that is V, not current. Current just helped us to calculate potential difference. Do you understand that?
So my answer is right, it's just the units.
Because you and Ibukun, you are giving me in ampere. Now, just
Yes,
follow
sir.
exactly, okay? Follow exactly what I've done there. Remove 20 ohms, put 40.
I
Remove
understand now.
15 volts, put 20. That's all. And then keep your 5. So I've not changed anything in that question. Ibukun, you're still giving me in ampere. Current is measured in ampere, not potential difference. Do you hear me,
Yes, sir.
Ibukun? So
Yes, sir.
if your answer is still in ampere, that's not what I need. I need your answers. Look at, after getting the ampere here, I came around here to get the voltage. I came here to get the voltage. So, and this is 12 volts. So work on your own. Who else again? Ajoku, Joshbed,
Now I understand.
Sir,
how far?
Understanding.
Okay, have you solved your own? Have you solved it? That's what I need. Okay. Okay.
Oh,
So I've sent my answer.
Yeah, I've seen it. Ajoko, I've seen yours. I've seen yours. Josh Beg, what about you? Musa, where are you?
so I'm
I
still
sent
copying.
mine.
Who said you sent yours? Musa,
Yes,
where did you send? Okay.
I should.
Musa, please, could you give me in decimal?
Okay.
You gave me a fraction. Josh Beg, okay, I'm waiting for you now. I'm waiting for you, Josh Beg. All right. Let's see, since some persons are still now. This is exactly how to solve questions of this nature. It's quite very easy. It's not difficult. Okay, who sent his now? Okay, I got yours. Okay. Okay. Correct. Yeah, Dushberg, I received yours. Awesome. Okay, now let's see who is correct here now. I wouldn't know who is correct, but I think majority got the same answer. Majority got the same answer, except just one person. And I believe that person knows his name or her name. Okay, let's see how to solve this. Now, I'm going to erase what I kept there, R. I changed R. I changed the EMF. Now, I'm going to erase it. And now let's look at what to do from here. Let's look at what to do from here. Look at the question. Calculate the terminal potential difference across A. I said using the 20, instead of using 20 watts, let's use 40. So that means the big R is 40 and EMF of 15 volts. Instead of using 15, I said we should use 20. And let's keep our R. R is always the internal resistance. The small r is the internal resistance, while the big R is the external resistance. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Finally, the guy has responded by getting the answer. Okay, I now said we are going to use this formula. The guy knows himself. I guess he's even smiling. Oh, Jesus. What did I do? Okay, I said we are going to use this formula. The EMF is equals to IR plus IR. We are looking for I, and now that gives us that E is equals to I bracket R, the big R, plus the small r. Now, how do we get I? Making I the subject of the formula, we divide both sides by big R plus small r. That's very instructive. Now, I is equals to the EMF over big R plus small r. Now, from here, that gives us that. So what's the answer in Ampere? What is the current, please? Those of you that have done it, what's the current in Ampere so that we erase this? What's the current?
20 over 45.
Sorry?
20 over 45.
20 over 45.
Okay, you guys got the same thing. 20 over 45. So you guys did not break this thing down.
4 over 9.
Eh?
Yes,
I
4
broke
over
it
9.
down. 4 over 9.
4 over 9 ampere. All right. Now, we said calculate the terminal potential difference, which is V, terminal potential difference. So that becomes terminal potential difference. This becomes, okay, let's erase this. This becomes I, which is 4/9 times the big R. The big R is 40. All right. And everything gives us what? 17 point what?
7.
0.7 volts.
17.78.
Okay, 17.78. So that's 17.8. So 17.8 volts. Right? So I guess those of you that did it, you know what you got. Now let's solve another question. I'm going to be giving you another question. Let's solve another question again. We just did number 1. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this guy here, number 5. I'm going to be doing number 5. You guys will do this one yourself. I'm going to erase this. Okay. Now, come in. Let me bring it out. Okay. You seen the question, right? Okay. Somebody should do this for me. Who's going to do this? You guys should do this. Everyone, try this out. Try this question out. Is anybody done? Who's done? Our time is, we have just less than 9 minutes.
So I can't see the full question.
Okay, I'm coming. Thank you for that. What about now? Check it again and let me know if you can see it. Can you see it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, that's a very simple question now. You guys should do something. Okay, somebody has submitted. Okay. Somebody has submitted. That's awesome, correct. Whoever submitted, that is correct. I'm quite happy. You guys are doing this SS1 stuff. We are smashing it down. Okay. Well, again, who's going to wow me with this? Who's going to wow me? Come on, you can do it. Don't give up. Blossom. 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 Show yourself now. Ibukun, are you not done?
Sir, I just joined.
Okay.
There were network problems.
All right. Josh Beg, what's happening? Tehila, show yourself now. Tehila, what's happening now? You guys should send your stuff now. What's happening?
So I can't see the questions well.
Are you seeing it now? What about now, Ibokun?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Tehila, Afana. Yeah, Tehila, you gave somebody to solve for you. Musa, what's happening?
Yes, sir. So I'm coming.
Josh Beg, what's happening?
Fine.
You know your EMF, you know your internal resistance. The other resistance is just part of the internal resistance now. Come on. The eldest resistance is the big R. So what's there? Is that difficult? Oh, Jesus. Hey, who is giving me this Agboma logo? Please, when you're sending your answers to me, send with your units. Send with your unit, please. See, they ask, you see, somebody is not reading question. What did they ask you to find in this question, please? What did they ask you to find? You guys should read the question. What did they ask you to find?
Oh,
Eh? Kai! Some people are not.
Current.
Some people are not reading question. Oh, what is this? Somebody's already sending me votes. Kai! So you mean if this was a cowbell quiz and we're counting 1 to 20, you wouldn't have solved this thing? They asked you to find something. They didn't ask you to find vote. Oh. Please, oh, don't go and find another thing else. Read the question well. Okay, who else again? Somebody has just sent. Oh, okay. Joel, I think you've done this. Could you solve it on the board here? Can you use the board? And Joel, Ajoku, you're not correct. Though. That's not the answer.
I disabled screen share, so I can't share my
Yeah,
screen.
don't share your screen. I said annotate. I've enabled you. I've enabled it. Is this something you can, if you can't use it, just let me know. We have less than 3 minutes, please. Or let me do it myself. The healer wants to start work. The healer, you think I'm not seeing you? I'm catching you. Or if you try anything, you think I won't see you? If you try annotating on my screen, I'll catch you. I've disabled everyone. No. You don't need to share my screen. You can't do that. Don't worry, Joel. I'm doing that on my end. I guess you have not done that. Now, this is what I asked you guys to do. E is equals to 1.5 volts. That's not correct, Ajoku. Internal resistance R is equals to 2.5. It's connected in series. Have you forgotten that when something is connected in series, that's plus 0.5. Then your big R is 7.0. Simple. It now asks you to find, you know your formula. Your formula is E is equals to I R is equals to IR plus I small r, and then I is equals to E over R plus small r. What is your E? Your E is 1.5. Your E is 1.5. Your big R is 7 plus the other R, 2.5 plus 0.5. So what's the final answer, man? What's the answer?
1.5 over
1.5. How can it be 1.5? What's the answer, please?
15.
Eh? Are you serious? Nobody can tell me the answer there.
3 over 20. 0.15.
Eh?
1 over 5 over 10.
0.15.
Simple. 0.15. So why was this taking you time? Eh? Current. This is current. Hell, Jesus.
I don't have. I like to collect this one from that issue.
Can you
This one,
imagine?
I'm already inside
No man been talking there.
other case.
I beg, Ajoku, you're just sending it to me after we have done it. Forget it. So, I'm going to send you guys your assignments, what to work on.
No.
Blossom, you are just looking at it when it's now almost done. That's when you're showing your face. Then I was calling you,